this lesson, we are going to add a gallery. So let's click on this here and it's going to show you the gallery with images that you can add. So I'm just going to grab some things to put on there. And when you're selecting an image too from your computer, you can select multiple. And all of it is done. Just click on done. Now I get to pick and choose which image that I want. I'm going to choose this one here. So that's image one. Click. We'll click to close it. Go to image two. Do the same thing. So you've added something there for the image two. Another quick way to do it too is you can just copy this URL if you don't want to keep putting in each one. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to copy that and I'm just going to replace it. Go to the next one, number 4. So if there's a URL that you want to put, you can just copy and just place it there and you can choose the layout. It shows you the grid layout, 1.5. You get to pick and choose 1.1, 1.2. You get to organize it exactly how you want it to be. Do you want it to masonry format? And then you can choose your small and you choose the stack. And let's see what else. You can go to the columns and you want to go to the filter. You can enable filters on there and you can put that in the center. Let's go over to the light box. You can enable the light box. So when someone clicks on it, it'll pop up. And you can do that to fade. So when I click on it now, you notice that, and move this out the way. It gives a beautiful effect. I'll choose to scale. Now it's scaling. Choose to slide. Now it's sliding and show caption. You can show the caption there. So go down to the image, adjustment, cover. Do you want it to be filled? So this is the fun part here when you're creating a gallery. Maybe you have like a wedding or a special occasion that you wanted to showcase on your website. You just come in and just a few clicks, you are able to do something amazing. Like with the overlay, you can do that too. You can add a title. So each item has a title. You can add captions with it. You can add a hover over. When they hover over it, they can see that. Their own over style. You can have the primary, none. So there's none style. And then you go to the overlay, the top. It shows at the top, as you can see there, shows at the right, and it shows at the bottom. So this is a beautiful thing when you're creating a gallery. It gives you a lot of flexibility and you can style it exactly how you want. And if you want a little bit more control, you come to the styles button and this is where you can do a little more, a whole lot more. And you can push the envelope to be, you add some of those there, or you want to change to double, and then you want to change to that top. So I'm just putting different things now just to show you how that's going to look. If you don't like how that look, you can delete one and you lift that specific look. You can change the colors, you know, for it. So you can create really, really incredible galleries just by clicking and moving things around. You go to the filter part, and which you have control over that as well. So feel free to change things around. Feel free to move things around and click here and click all over, and you get something amazing.